My name is John Kelly. If you're watching this, you may be wrestling with an uncomfortable question. What does this case mean in dollars? In this chapter, we'll talk about how damages work in vulnerable adult abuse and neglect cases, economic losses, non-economic harm, and the themes that tend to drive high-value outcomes. And I want to say something right up front, because families often feel guilty when thinking about money. Talking about damages is not greedy. It's not making a big deal. It's not disrespecting the person you love. It's the reality. Because these cases are expensive, the harm is expensive, and the only tool civil law has to respond is compensation. Now, money can't unbreak a hip. It can't erase humiliation. It can't restore a mind lost to delirium and decline. But it can pay for care. It can pay for safety, therapy, and supervision. It can stop the financial bleeding while a family tries to heal. So let's talk about damages in a clean, structured way. Economic damages first. And these are the costs that you can add up. In vulnerable adult cases, economic damages often include the medical bills, the hospital costs, ambulance and emergency care, wound care visits, surgeries for fractures, IV antibiotics for infections, ICU stays for sepsis, rehabilitation and therapy. Increased level of care is going to increase the costs, and this is a big one. Sometimes the resident was in assisted living and now must be moved to a skilled nursing facility. Sometimes they were in skilled nursing and now need memory care or hospice. Sometimes they need one-on-one supervision, private sitters, or someone because they are now too unsafe to be alone. Sometimes the family takes them home and the family becomes the staff. Those changes cost money and they're out-of-pocket expenses. So some of the other out-of-pocket expenses and economic damages include medical supplies. So we're talking about special mattresses or support surfaces, mobility devices, transportation, home modifications in the residential home. In wrongful death cases, economic damages may include funeral and burial costs, final medical expenses, and sometimes the value of services the person provided, depending on the law of the state. If you have a loved one who's a vulnerable adult, and after listening to the video, have questions, we handle these cases throughout the nation, and we're happy to consult with you. If you'd like to talk to us, please call us at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.